Okay, so here's something a little bit more common than what I usually show. This is a Four Seasons Slumber Quiet from, I believe, around 1983, as evidenced by the smaller housing. Let's see, HRQRS. Yeah, that's 83. CB4444. What's interesting about this one, look at the potentiometer knob. The actual potentiometer sticks out of it a little bit. I don't remember what... I'm not good with blade finishes, but yeah. Left the tag from the honey pot on there still. I haven't taken it off. I'm not sure why. Slumber Quiet works. One of the blades is warped, as you can see. So, because of that, this thing has a pretty atrocious wobble on it. I might hunt down an entirely new blade set for this thing, we'll see. I should have put a little fake screw in the switch cap hole, but I didn't. I don't even know if I have any spares anymore. There, now the wobble starts becoming very evident. Oh, come on. This one actually does have a faint hum, as opposed to most other Slumber Quiet units. Yeah, a new blade set for this thing might do me some good. I might have one somewhere. I just don't remember where they are. Sped it up a little faster than I would have liked on that turn, so I'm sorry for that. Yeah. It's moving at a good medium, in between like a medium and medium high speed. The chain rattling annoys everyone. I hate it. Almost to high speed. Yeah, and then that starts happening. If this was in a hang true, this would really compromise the ball. I'm really sorry for these focusing issues. It's hitting against the blades. That's how bad this goddamn wobble is. Oh, there, now it stopped. I guess it just kept moving like that from the previous speed setting it was on. There, now we're at full high. Turn that light on. As with all other K55 fans, this one is just cranking out air. Thankfully, the bracket is not moving. Okay, there is a Slumber Quiet Four Seasons from 1983.